Water restrictions put in place in Stevensville have now been lifted. The restrictions were put in place last week when several of the town's water wells malfunctioned. MTN's Dennis Bragg brings us up to speed on the situation.
The bottle of water on the town council table Wednesday night was a lonely reminder of a problem that has broadsided Stevensville leaders and residents at summer start. For the past 2 weeks, the city has been struggling with emergency water restrictions after the town's system nearly ran dry. But Mayor Dewey had good news.
Effective on Friday, we can lift the restrictions 100%.
The mayor told the council a second pump had been repaired Wednesday following the installation of the first replacement pump Monday.
And that was a successful install. The water test came back from that today and was good to go, and so that pump is fully online and the reservoir is filling, and in fact is full already.
That's a big difference from a week before last when the town suddenly went dry, sparking complaints with some customers saying they didn't know what was going on.
There's a lot of people in this town that are the same way. We need to have a better form of communication.
It's something we take very seriously to disrupt our neighbors and asking them to turn their water off. But we were at a point where we had 1.5 feet to 2 feet of water, and it was quickly dropping because everyone's sprinklers kicked on at midnight and they didn't heed the warnings.
With the pumps costing up to $20,000 apiece, Dewey says repairs are expensive.
These pumps are manufactured in Colorado, then shipped to Spokane, and then we receive them here. It's not something that's just stocked on the shelf at true value.
Now that the pumps are fixed and the water is back, the town will turn its attention to a final well pump, which has been problematic for the past few years, and the town didn't have the money to fix it. Dewey says the town will draw up plans to reconfigure that system and bring the well online.
We don't have that funding issue today, and so we're fully developing that well and making sure that whatever we put into that, whatever as far as a pump goes, we put into that well, it's not something that we're going to replace in 6 months to 9 months.
In Stevensville, Dennis Bragg, MTN News.
Now, the mayor says the town is also encouraging residents to sign up for its new robocall system for automated alerts.